Senator Marcoleta.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Secretary, a couple of days ago, in the last hearing when you were here, we somehow settled the issue that restitution is not a requisite for an applicant to the WPP. Is that correct?
It's not in the law. But sa akin ko kasi, hindi lang po batas na nagdidictate dito. It's also what is morally right, what is expected of us. Yan po kasi, kahit hindi nilagay sa batas, mga given po yan sa ating lipunan.
What do you mean by that, Mr. Secretary?
Kasi wala nga sa batas yung ano.
Wala nga sa batas.
Yung
Then,
requirements
anong ilalagay mo sa batas?
for admission to the witness protection. Ang restitution is not part of it.
Yes, it is not.
Oh, pero hindi mo nangangahulugan na hindi namin pwede i-layout yan depending on the case.
Mr. Secretary, I am still in the stage where a particular applicant wishes to apply under that program. And there is a process. In the process, restitution is not one of the requisites. Is that correct?
Opo, pero if it's in terms of this case being a financial crime, sir, this is a crime against the
Mr.
financial
Secretary,
status of the Filipino people, of the Philippine Republic. I think that it's just right.
Mr.
that we ask.
Secretary, are you amending the provision of the
No,
law?
sir. No, sir. But that is how we run the witness protection program.
As a lawyer, Mr. Secretary, may I ask you, in a criminal prosecution, the civil liability is impliedly instituted. Is that correct?
Of course.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi naman nangangahulugan kung sakasakali na natapos na yung criminal prosecution, kapag ka nakita na mayroong criminal liability yung tao, because it is impliedly implied, doon lang magkakaroon ng restitution. It will come after. Paano mo sasabihin na magre-restitute ang isang tao? Meron na bang findings kung magkano i-restitute on how it can be restituted? Nag-a-apply pa lang eh. Huwag po ninyong babaguhin ang requisite ng batas, Mr. Secretary. I thought nung dumating ka dito, nagkaintindihan na tayo eh. Kaya nabablar ang proceedings natin eh. Kaya nga kinote ni, siguro, ang chairman kanina gusto kong ituloy ito. Sinabi niya, nagpa-interview siya, na goodwill and sincerity should be done para i-test. Pwede ba yung ganito?
I respect your opinion, sir. But
It
that's
is not
how,
my opinion, it is in the law, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I am
At
operating.
the arbiter
Sir,
is
can I
the
speak,
law.
sir? May I speak, sir?
Yes, you
I'm
are
operating from the
Senator Marcoleta,
from the
kindly allow
vantage
the
point of the
results,
reason
sir.
behind the law, sir. What is the reason behind the law? So that we can get justice, and justice can only be attained if there is restitution. So that is the principle behind all of these things that we are talking about now.
Mr. Secretary, restitution will come after. It cannot be.
So it can
cannot
come before or after, sir. It can come before or
You
after.
cite the law that it come before. Wala nga po sa batas eh. Huwag
Sir,
po ninyo babaguhin ang batas, Mr. Secretary.
we are operating on a unique set of facts, and we are, all of these matters are being evaluated because the gravity of this financial crime cannot be underestimated, and that the more assets that we're able to preserve at the outset, the better for our country, sir.
Mr. Secretary, I'm very sorry for such a reasoning like that. Alam mo, nakikinig
I'm very
ang
sorry,
buong
sir.
bansa.
Also, sir, I'm very sorry too if you do not agree with me. But I respect your opinion, sir, and we will carry out our job as we deem fit, as we see.
Mr. Chair, I said
that the
I
country
am not
needs.
expressing an opinion here. I am articulating the provision of law. You do not change the provision of law, Mr. Secretary. You may be disbarred from doing this.
Then it's your opinion, sir. It's your option, sir.
Sinabi ko na nga hindi ko opinion dito. I am
Then it's your option,
articulating
sir.
the provision of
It
law.
is what you wish to happen. That you may proceed
Ikaw ang
with what you
nagbibigay
wish.
ng opinion, nilalagay mo yung restitution to test the goodwill of a possible applicant. It is not in the law. Unless you are able to point out the provision of law that it come before. Hindi ganun eh. Sabi mo na nga, and we admitted, impliedly instituted ang civil liability, but this will come eventually after the court has pronounced kung magkano ibabalik niya kung meron man. Not before. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Are you done, Senator Marcoleta? Thank you. Okay. So next in line is Senator Padilla. Please limit your question kay Secretary Remulla.
Apo, gusto ko lamang pong sabihin kay Secretary, pangalagaan na lang po si Engineer Henry Alcantara. Yun lang po.
Opo, salamat po.
Thank you. Senator De La Rosa.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Point of clarification lang ito sa akin, Mr. Chair, dahil ito mga diskayas, para mukhang nagbigay na ito ng affidavit in the previous hearings. Gusto natin na may resulta kaagad ito investigation natin. Baka pwedeng isama na rin yung affidavit nila, sir, na evaluate ng DOJ para isang bagsakan na lang yung pagpile ng kaso. Dahil marami sila binanggit na mga pangalan ng mga congressman.
As a matter of fact, undergoing evaluation.
Undergoing by whom, Mr. Chair?
DOJ.
DOJ on
So we met with them already and we will meet again with them tomorrow. Kasi nawala nga yung kahapon, sir. No? We lost the time yesterday. We were supposed to meet yesterday. Hindi lang po natuloy.
Yes, sir. Mr. Chair, just para mas maganda kung isang bagsakan na makuha na sana lahat yan, mapaila na kaagad,
Opo. Opo.
mas maganda. Thank you. Thank you lang, Mr. Chair.
Thank you,
Salamat.
Senator Rapi.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, to Secretary Mulya, wala nga talaga sa batas yung bang magsoli muna ng pera para ikaw ay mapasok sa WPP. Pero kung pagbabasehan natin yung kagusto ng taong bayan, ang galit ng taong bayan, na gusto nilang magpakita in goodwill yung accused bago siya mapunta sa WPP, siguro mas maganda kung sundin natin yung kagusto ng taong bayan, right?
Opo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, there
Yes,
is also,
Senator.
I would like to manifest that hindi ko alam kung nakikinig ho tayong lahat, yung sigaw ng taong bayan na libo-libo sa People Power Monument sa Luneta, hindi lang po ang pagnanakaw, they were also shouting, ibalik yung pera nila. And I believe the Secretary of Justice heard that, and I believe Malacanang heard that. Kaya nga po, dito po sa mga kontraktor, mga opisyal, isole ninyo ang pera ng taong bayan. Hindi po batas ang pinag-uusapan. Wala ho tayong pakialam sa batas na yan. Sometimes, you have to bend the law to be able to please the people. Mas mataas po ang taong bayan sa batas. Am I right, Secretary Remulla?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chairman,
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Second round. Senator Pangilinan.
just to lower the decibels and the stress, the stress that comes with high emotions. Si Ginoong Secretary Remulla, si Ginoong Hernandez halimbawa, sinurrender na sa ICI no? Yung ilang vehicles at sinasabi niyang willing pa siyang mag-surrender ng Lamborghini. I mean, that's his voluntary act. If Engineer Alcantara will do the same voluntarily as a sign of goodwill, there is no law that prevents him from doing that. So
Opo.
therefore, we this restitution issue, while it is the law, does not prevent the government from being broader, mas malawak ang kanyang pag-implementa ng mga programa at mga batas, lalo na pag voluntary ang pagbigay ng mga malalaking, yung mga mamahaling sasakyan, voluntaring ilabas itong isurrender ang mga pondo, etc. Hindi po ba?
Opo. Sa karanasan ko kasi, pag inintay po natin yung court judgment na maging final para isurrender po ang lahat, baka wala, puti na mga mata natin, wala pa hong nangyayari. Kaya habang maaga po, we try to get as much para maibalik na po sa taong bayan yung dapat hong ibalik.
In fact, yung pagbabalik is a sign of cooperation, which the courts will eventually consider when it sentences or if it provides the exemption and the immunity. Hindi po ba?
Opo.
So that should guide itong ating mga testigong nais mag-apply sa Witness Protection Program. Kapag kayo ay nagko-cooperate, ito ay magiging senyales sa ating korte na maaring ma-grant ang exclusion and exemption and immunity. At the same time, kung may sentensya, pati iyon, mapapababa pa among others. For the record, Mr. President.
Tama po.
Thank you. Yes, Senator JB.
Just last point before the Secretary brings Engineer Alcantara. Anyway, nagkatama yung haka-haka natin that Engineer Alcantara might just be the missing link to the higher officials that the people have been longing for, no? Nabanggit niya si Yusek Bernardo, Saldico, and some other legislators. So I'm hoping that, Mr. Chair, that he will be back so that we can pursue further. And ang sabi ko lang kay Secretary Remulla, I hope that you can evaluate further kasi mukhang very vital and very yung kanya pong testimony or yung kanya affidavit is very vital doon sa ating pong pursuit of going after the big fishes finally. So I hope that he can be considered really to become one of our state witness in case. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Tama.
Thank you. Kung meron ding gusto magtanong sa representative o representatives ng AMLAC, papayagan po namin kayo magtanong again in the order of arrival kasi may mga gagawin din trabaho sila na kailangan ding umalis sila na maaga. So kung wala naman, papayagan na rin natin silang ma-excuse. Anyway, mag-iiwan naman sila ng representante rito. Anybody from the members of the panel? Sino? Si Alcantara babalik. No, I mean the AMLAC Executive Director, Attorney David. Kung wala po, then you may be excused along with the Secretary of the DOJ. Thank you very much, Secretary Remulla.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
You'll be back at 1 o'clock? 1:30?
1:30 to 2, sir. Hopefully we can finish up as early as possible.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
1 minute suspension.